Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Carly, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my morning routine. So, my morning routine varies every single day because not every single day is the same. And I don't always wake up at the same time, but here's this. So I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys go check out my other videos. This is like the morning routine of an equestrian, of a barrel racer, of a horse person, so yeah.
Audio Jungle.
I just barely woke up, and I can't talk in the mornings like a normal person, so love that for me. Very first thing I'm gonna do is make my bed. And no, this is not something that's like, oh yeah, I make my bed every morning just because I'm recording. I legit make my bed every single morning because that's the person I am, and it helps me, like, if that's the one thing I accomplish for the day, that's alright. So I'm gonna make my bed. So here's my bed all made and finished. And now is time for me to get dressed to go feed. And my room is kind of a mess right now because I'm going through stuff and donating stuff, and yeah, so that. I'm gonna get dressed real quick. So me getting dressed, I have my coat that I'm gonna put on. And I am still in my pajamas. This is how it goes. This is on the weekend. If it were a school day, it'd be a little bit different because I have to get ready for school. So today is a Friday. School days I either wake up and get ready and go feed if I have time to. But if I wake up late and I don't have time to, I will just ask my mom to feed. And then I put on some socks. And this is winter time, so I gotta stay warm. It looks so cute, wow. So, here's my lovely outfit for the morning. I got my sweatpants, my Carhartt coat, and my Carhartt beanie. And my messy room. But this is legit, so now we need to grab a pair of shoes. Actually, I'm gonna wear. Now I just need to go get a pair of shoes, aka my Crocs. So that's what we're doing. Okay, if it wasn't, or if it was snowy outside, I would be wearing muck boots or other shoes, but because it's not muddy or anything right now, I'm wearing my Crocs, so love that for me. And this lighting is kind of decent. I don't know how good I look, but who really cares? That was a weird noise. So I let the dogs each morning. Hi, baby girl. She's super excited. Here's Bandit. And a little bit of food. Now I have food. Hi, chicken. We have one egg. Wow. And I already know they have food and water because I checked the water last night, so they're good. And now we get to feed the horses. Here's my freaking cute goats and the horses. Oh, I think a cat got locked in here last night. Kitty, you did. You done goofed, kiddo. That's why you don't go in there. I just realized too, you guys haven't officially seen the hay barn. I will be doing a tour of it, but for now, this is the hay. And here's my grain area. And it's still like under construction because we bought it and tore it down at somebody's house and reconstructed it ourselves. So yeah. Now I'm gonna get some grain for the goats and for chicken. So I start off by giving the goats their grain because they're just right there. And in the mornings, Chigger also gets her scoop of grain. This is Miss Chigger. So we'll give her that. She loves her grain. This is my cousin's horse, by the way. So all the ponies are fed. With Max every morning, I usually will clean out his water. I did clean this out yesterday. Handsome. What's up, buddy? So, this is my cute kid. I come in and give him snuggles and pets in the morning, but he likes to eat his hay cubes over the waterer. So as you can see by all the hay dust right there, I lift this up. Gosh, no, I can't do it. I lift it up. So I lift it up and dump it out and clean it. There's ice on here. That's all frozen hay, or else it would be cleaner. Yeah, so then he has fresh, clean water. Hi, turd. What's up, bro? Oh, we want to show you guys our messy braids we did last night. Because I didn't want to do a ton because I was too tired, but his hair needed to be rebraided. And we'll show you guys his new tail bag that he's sporting. It's this cow print one. I redid that last night also. There's Loki and Thor. So all the ponies are happily eating. And the goats have their grain. These guys do also get cubes all the time. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. And this is a part of my morning routine every single day, or a daily routine, but I always play with the dogs for a minute, aka Benelli, because she loves this ball. If you can't tell, come here. She loves her ball. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Come here. Hi. Okay, so we're gonna play with her. And we also have a tennis ball thrower that I usually do. Throw tennis balls for her, but she destroyed all the tennis balls. So we're gonna use the jolly ball. I'll also open this up. I'll open that so the goats can hang out in the field. They already finished their grain. We're gonna check on their food. And they have spread their cubes out through their little area. As long as they have water. That'll melt in there. Hi Bandit. So here's my cute little goats. We have Dolly, who's closest to us, and then Reba, and then Baby has yet to be named. He did get dehorned the other day, so that was interesting. And he's also banded right now, so that's taken care of. So there's no inbreeding going on. All right, so lovely, my phone died. I'm back up top in my room with the puppies. So after I get the horses fed and everything, I come up top and I will hop in the shower, or I'll get ready for the day if I showered the night before. So we're gonna do that right now, and then I'll eat a little breakfast. Okay, I just got done in the shower, so love my old lady pink robe. But I need to pick out an outfit, and we're taking pictures today. So I'm gonna wear my 7 jeans. Now I need to get a pair of long socks. So that on my bed. And then I also need a shirt. But I don't know what to wear today. Oh, we can wear modern cowgirl. So I'll wear that shirt, those pants. I picked out this belt for today. Buck stitch. I've been wearing this one a lot lately. So that right there. Okay, this is my outfit I picked for the day. So I've got my 7 jeans, a modern cowgirl shirt, socks, West Trek beanie, this belt, and then this hoodie. And then I'll probably also wear either a vest or my Carhartt coat. We'll see how cold it is, but I'm gonna get dressed. All right, now I'm gonna throw on a little bit of makeup. I already brushed my teeth and washed my face. And yeah, so I put on chapstick. So for my breakfast, my basic butt loves avocado toast. If you have had it, you probably love it too. Lately I've been putting boiled egg on the top, like slicing up a boiled egg instead of cooking an egg and putting that on top, and then everything bagel seasoning and some salt and pepper, and it's been really good. I'm also gonna have an apple. Yeah, this is one of my basic breakfasts that I do all the time. This is my scrumdiddlyicious avocado toast. It doesn't look that appetizing, but when I tell you it is so good, it is so good. And then I have an apple, and I'm gonna eat this real quick. When I'm done eating, I'm gonna go down to the bottom and take some pictures with Emily and Michaela, so. Okay, it's not really morning anymore, but down here with Emily and Hank, we're taking some pictures, and I've got Max and Zippy out. Max is being a turd, as always. Yeah. I also redid Zippy's tail and her braids, so that's done. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to my channel and give me some more video ideas down below if you have any recommendations. That was my horse pawing in the back. And I'll see you guys next time.